What's going on YouTube? This is your boy, The Vintage Man, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about this whole eBay and sneaker reselling market that is going on. Everybody's talking about it, and I feel like I had to do a little bit of research and shed some light on that to my supporters, my subscribers, to the Vintage Gang, man. Before we get too deep into it right now, what I need you to do, you already know. Hit that like button. I'm begging you, please hit the like button. Follow me over on IG at The Vintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below, as always, man. And make sure you have the notification bells on for your boys so you know when we go live tonight, man. If you're watching this video and you want to drop a lot of knowledge under this video, please be my guest. And if you want to drop some knowledge on the live stream tonight, man, come pull up, chop it up with your boy. And if you want to buy some cheap shoes, you already know I got to put it in there, man. I got to put my ad in there. I'm paying for this ad. Go shop thevintageworld.bigcartel.com to save a lot of money on some shoes. Most of them are very near dead stock. And if you're in a given mood or if you want to get a pair for yourself, go shop thevintageworld.bigcartel.com. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video. All right, guys, so if you do not know, eBay is now, you know what I'm saying, intervening with the whole sneaker reselling market. You know, we got StockX, we got GOAT, we go to sneaker events, we got Flight Club. We have so many places where you can buy sneakers, the limited stuff, even the GR stuff, but you always are paying a little bit more because the seller is getting charged seller fees. So it's instinct for a reseller to go on StockX or GOAT and raise their price up because they're gonna automatically get taxed a 10% fee just for selling on their platform. But on eBay, they changed the whole game. You don't gotta worry about any seller fees if you're selling your shoes for $100 or more. Just think about it, 10% is a lot. We're gonna put it into context real quick. So if you're selling shoes for $100 on StockX, you're getting charged that 10% fee. So that's automatically, you're not even getting no more than $900 from StockX as your payout. So with eBay, now if you want to sell the shoe for the real price or the price that it should be at, $100 lower, you can sell it for $900 or even like in between that $900 to $1,000 range, and you getting that money straight to you. It'll be no fees to you, 0%. So it'll be beneficial for you to start selling on eBay. But there's a couple cons out there that I want to point out. And the first con is there is no middleman in between the seller and the buyer. You're just going straight off of like pure luck, pure gut to go and buy a shoe off eBay because there is no telling if they're legit, if they're real. Automatically you're gonna have a red flag because the prices are lower. Usually you go on StockX, you're gonna GOAT. You see all the prices are around the same range. You might see like a $10, $20 fluctuation between sizes, but on eBay they'll be a lot lower. And you're gonna be like, oh no, are they real or are they fake? And that's the first thing that will come to my mind if I was going to eBay and buying some shoes. I'd be like, nah, the price looks way too good to be true. But I don't think that's gonna stop any reseller from saving some money and saving that 10% seller fee from StockX and GOAT. This is really changing the game. It's gonna really change the game in 2020. Everybody that had their prices all hiked up, going to these sneaker events, going to eBay, going to GOAT, or wherever you bought your shoe from, you're gonna look at their prices and you're gonna be like, I'm not gonna pay that much. I'm just gonna go on eBay and I'm gonna spend that money on there. I know a lot of people out there are still skeptical about shopping with StockX, shopping with GOAT. I get comments every day on my StockX versus GOAT video or my StockX unboxings or my GOAT unboxings. They say, is it safe to buy from this app? So there's still always red flags for getting shoes from anywhere you buy them from. I feel like it's just instinct for a sneakerhead to be like, should I trust this or should I trust that? So now I feel like people are more willing to buy a shoe from eBay because you never know if you're getting a real pair from this app. You don't know if you're getting a real pair from that app. You don't know if you're getting a fake pair from this app. So why not just go with eBay? Why not just go with the cheaper price? I'm not recommending you to do that. Me personally, I'm trying to step away from the whole StockX. I'm trying to step away from the whole GOAT app buying just because it's just too much going on. You don't know what's happening behind closed doors. And that's really what I was trying to push on that video I dropped. I want to ask you guys, how many fake sneakers do I have in my collection? And I was trying to ask you guys how many pairs you think you have in your collection after seeing the whole Trollmageddon Urban Necessities situation. Do you guys now see yourself selling on eBay? Do you guys see yourself buying from eBay? What is your thoughts and opinions on that? A lot of people always say they haven't shopped with eBay for sneakers in years, but now I can see in 2020 this really catapulting, this really taking off for the sneaker community, man. Resellers gonna be super quick to throw their shoes on eBay rather than StockX because, like I said, that 10% is a lot of money. Another con with the whole eBay and selling sneakers on there and you buying the sneakers from there is if somebody puts no returns or this sell is final in their description, then you can't return it. So even if it is fake, all you can try to do is file a complaint with PayPal if you do that. So I'm recommending you guys right now, if you want to buy a pair of shoes from eBay, go ahead and use PayPal. So if you get a fake pair, you'll be more in a position to get your money back if you get a fake pair. I've never had to file a complaint or a claim with PayPal. I never had a fake pair of shoes in my collection to my knowledge. So I think it's safe to say that all my shoes are 100% legit. But I do know if you did get a fake pair, so many videos on YouTube, so many stories on Instagram. And I know you probably got a couple of friends that have gotten scammed and they, you know what I'm saying, called PayPal, they filed a claim and they got their money back. So please use PayPal if you ever shop with eBay. If you're getting shoes from eBay, you can always get that shoe, like I said, purchase it through PayPal, take it to like a sneaker consignment shop and kind of compare the two shoes from their shop and from the one you got from eBay, just to make sure you're legit and just to make sure you're good to go. So guys, let me know how you feel about this whole eBay and sneaker reselling market. Let me know if you think it's good for the sneaker community, or let me know if you think it's bad for the sneaker community. I'm very interested in knowing. We had a whole bunch of conversation going about the Concord versus Bread. We had so many comments. I had to respond to so many, but it was all good, it was all love, and I had fun to respond to everybody, hearing everybody's different opinion. But I want to hear you guys' opinion on this situation because I feel like this is big and this is something that's going to take off for 2020 in my opinion. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please hit the like button for your boy. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, man. We're right around the corner from 21K. We're going live tonight. Make sure you have notification bells on so you know when we are live. Follow me over on IG at The Vintage World. Link will always be in the description box below. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.